my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so excited to have every single one of you here. So today I am just chilling out at home. Thought I might bring you along for what I eat in a day in a life video again. I wasn't really planning on doing anything major like always. I do have a quick grocery store pickup so I can show you guys what I get for that. I've got a couple recipes I was thinking about trying today, but it really just depends on my energy levels. Let me go ahead and show you my coffee cup, and then we need to get our day started. This is a new coffee cup. I'm 99% sure I haven't shown you guys this one yet. My oldest son, Sebastian, went to Myrtle Beach with his girlfriend and her family this summer, and knowing my passion for coffee cups, he got this for me. So super cool, super good memories for him and for me. So yeah, that's what coffee cups are for me. All right, guys, I'm going to drink some coffee and wake up a little bit, and I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Okay guys, quick Aldis haul. I was going to do Walmart pickup, but they didn't have any pickup times available early enough in the day in order for me to get dinner done in time. So Steve ran to Aldi's. So I have a quick Aldis haul for you here. I did start out with some frozen mixed berries. I'm going to be making some berry lemon muffins. I'm super excited to try. They're only 2 points. Love it. Got some unsweetened applesauce. Got a can of tomato soup. I've got 2 cans of black beans. 2 cans of the dark red kidney beans. Needed to restock on my favorite snacking pickle. These are the Oh Snap Dill Pickle Bites, and they are so good. I know it would save me money if I would just cut up my own pickles and take them that way, but this is a matter of convenience for me. I'm a lot more likely to grab these than to take the time to cut up a pickle, so sorry. A little laziness on my part, but they do taste really good. Steve got this. This is jalapeno cream cheese with pretzels. I won't be eating this as it's 8 points, but as you can see, it's got the pretzels in there and then the jalapeno flavored cream cheese. So, lemons. Got some more clementines. These actually looked pretty good. I got a great big head of cabbage for the unstuffed cabbage soup I'm going to be making. Tomato juice for the unstuffed cabbage soup. 2 things of beef broth for, guess what? Unstuffed cabbage soup. Needed some more unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I've got 2 things of long grain wild rice for the unstuffed cabbage soup. That's it for the cabbage soup, I promise. And then I needed some more of the fat-free half and half for my coffee. All right, that's it. Told you guys it was small. Huge thanks to Mr. KS for running to the store for me. He has been a major blessing with this whole thing. I could not have done any of it without him. Just had to throw that in there because I know he's going to watch it. So let me get these put away, and I will see you for lunch very, very soon because I just flat out missed breakfast. My appetite's been a little wonky since I got sick, so I didn't even realize how late it was. But anywho, like I said, getting these put away. I will see you back at lunchtime. All right, guys, it is lunchtime. I am doing a picky plate, as Joan from Joan's Pointed Plate calls them. Kind of sort of picky plate, my own version. I've got 25 pieces of the Hormel turkey pepperoni for 2 points. I've got a sugar-free chocolate pudding for 2 points. 1 slice of the Jarlsberg Light Swiss cheese for 1 point. Strawberries, which I plan to dip into my Jell-O, and then, of course, my Oh Snap Dilly Bites for no points. So what we have here, friends, is a 5-point lunch. All right, I'm getting ready to take my vitamins, and I could not remember if I had shown you my water cup today. I've had this one for a long time since I first started Weight Watchers, but I haven't shown it to you guys, and I know I have tons of new subscribers since then, so check it out. Dun, dun, dun. That's right. Straight out of points. I got this on Etsy. I don't even remember the name of the person that made it for me, but I love it. It's a tall and thin metal cup with a plastic lid that screws on, so it's super convenient to get in and out. It's got a long straw, and then it's got this little flippy thing, the lid. It clips so that it's not bopping up and hitting you in the nose all the time. And then of course it's got the little thing here that you can put in this part so that it doesn't spill. So super fun WW friendly cup. See. And we are back. As you can see, I am still sitting in bed, which seems to be my constant living place lately. And I'm feeling a little hungry, so I thought I would try these muffins that I made this morning. These are the lemon double berry muffins. I think it's called, maybe it's called double berry lemon muffins. I'm not quite sure. It's a recipe I found on Pinterest, so I will be sure to link that down below so you guys can try it. They are very, 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 very dense. So I don't know. I mean, it has oatmeal in it. It has applesauce in it. Flavor is very mild. And I'm thinking that I might either next time I make this add more applesauce or add some kind of an extract to it to give it some more flavor. I might even put more berries in it. So, yeah. Something. And these also, it's because it's got oatmeal, it's got applesauce, flour, all kinds of yumminess. It's kind of got a pancake texture, so I'm kind of thinking maybe these might be good for breakfast and heat them up and put some sugar-free maple syrup over the top. That might be good too. So anyways, let me show you this one. Can y'all tell what shape this is? This is what happens when the recipe makes 24 muffins and you only have one regular muffin tin and then one poop emoji tin. You get poop emoji muffins. Or you could turn them like this and it looks like a regular muffin, but I feel like the poop emoji is much more effective in getting my point across. So yeah, there it is. 4-point snack. It is dinner time, my friends. How good does this look? I wish I would have gotten better pictures for you, but guys, my family ate the entire crock pot, and it's a big, big crock pot full of food. This is a WW super easy slow cooker 3-bean chili recipe, and guys, it's 0 points. So the only points that I have here as far as the chili goes are the 2 points for the 1/4 cup of Velveeta Shreds cheese that I put on top. I did have 2 bowls of it, and I split the 1/4 cup of Velveeta Shreds between the two, and then I just sprinkled some cilantro on top. The next thing you're going to see is my after dinner snack. I was craving something sweet. I had a lot of points to use, so I had 2 bags of these Arizona fruit snacks. They are 4 points per bag. I normally would not grab something like this, but like I said, I'm craving something sweet, and these were in front of me, so I figured, why not? Okay guys, it is time for a good old-fashioned evening snack. I'm going to have some sliced apples with some peanut butter. However, I'm going to use PB2. I've got 1 tablespoon in here, and then I'm going to add some sugar-free maple syrup to that just to form a peanut butter consistency. I can have 1 tablespoon of this for 0 points. So that's what I'm going to go for. 1 tablespoon is going to be about 15 grams. So my goal is just to make sure that I don't go over that. Well, apparently we're going to go to 14 grams. Hang on, let me stir this. I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, the 14 grams came to a perfect consistency. So this is 1 tablespoon of sugar-free maple syrup with 1 tablespoon of the PB2 and an entire sliced apple for 1 point. All right, I'm ready to settle down for the night. I'm going to work on some more editing and probably watch some of my other favorite YouTubers. I've got my bedtime snack here. This is whole kernel popcorn, 4 tablespoons for 4 points. I sprayed a little bit of, well actually Steve made this for me, so he sprayed a little bit of movie theater butter on there, and then he put some of this cheesy jalapeno popcorn seasoning on top. So 4-point snack. Alright friends, I am getting ready to head to bed here in a few minutes. I just showed you my bedtime snack, which was the popcorn. I want to say I had 23 points out of 31 today. If it's different than that, I will post it down at the bottom of the screen. I'm sorry guys, I really did calculate everything. Overall, not a bad day eating wise. A pretty low point day for me, just because like I said, my appetite's just not back to where it used to be. So, but I'm getting there, getting better every day. Before I get too chatty on you though, I will let you go. Real quick, before we end though, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. It really helps let YouTube know that you guys enjoy my content, encourages them to promote our videos just a little bit more so we can continue to grow our YouTube family. And speaking of YouTube families, if you guys are not a member of mine and you enjoy chaos, weight loss content, subscription box unboxings, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner right there. I would love the opportunity to get to know you better. Until next time, guys, stay healthy and keep smiling. Bye.